WOLF stock analysis and Wolf stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this page that's done 40,000 videos over 5 years. And I'm not just saying this to say that I've actually been through it and documented it all. And Wolfspeed, unironically, I'm looking to double down like a madman on this. So how's that going to look like? Well, it's actually quite simple. And what it all comes down to is that this is still a bearish market to me. Moving back, this is like this is when it was like 10 bucks. Here's the proof, because I literally have proof of calling this thing down from $10 to at least like the bottom here. It was like 6. It was like 6 months back. It's 10th of December. Since then we've been kind of melting. And unless I see any sort of like a proper double break or something like that, then there's no way I'm going to look to take it, put it down, like straight up. So if I pop up here, Wolf, you will see that I have 38 results, and there's like no way that I'll be adding anything else to this. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want my exact play and all the good stuff, click the first link in the description. 100 people already tried it, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.